So when it comes to your AC system, there's two copper lines running from the outside of your house at the condensing unit to the evaporator coil inside. And the smaller of those two lines is called the liquid line, and it doesn't have any insulation on it at all. The larger of those two lines is often referred to as the suction line. It's carrying refrigerant at about 40 degrees.
This line should be insulated all the way from one end to the other. Oftentimes on homes, I see cracked or deteriorated, missing insulation. This can lead to some efficiency problems, and it should be repaired. It's a pretty easy DIY homeowner fix, but you may not be able to find this insulation in your local hardware store. You might have to go online or contact a refrigerant supply house.
Thanks for watching. Call and schedule your home inspection today.